What's up guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to be going over my top iOS 14 features. Okay, so the first feature is called Widgets. So what you do is you hold down on the home screen until your apps go into jiggle mode, as Craig Federighi calls it. You press the top little arrow in the top left, and then you can select whichever one you want. I selected the battery one, so we'll select this smallest size right now, and then it's on the home screen. And then to remove it, you can 3D touch or haptic touch, and then remove it. You can also remove it in jiggle mode as well. So I'm going to add another one, so let's add a battery, but we're going to add the bigger one this time. And then press it again, and I guess we'll add the Maps widget, the medium-sized one again. And then if I actually drag them on top of each other, it creates a stack of widgets. This is not the smart stack, but this is a regular stack. So if I click on them, you can scroll through them and turn on and off Smart Rotate. So to get out of that, we'll just press on Done to exit jiggle mode, and so that is a stacked widget, and so these are the new widgets. The next feature is the app library. So if you just keep swiping over to the right, you will notice we have the app library here that opens. You can tap into these categories that Apple automatically creates, and you can scroll through all your apps. And let's say that we want to head into entertainment, we can do that. Or let's say that we want to head into an app, you can just click on it and it will open. And to get out of it, you can just swipe up. Then you can add your apps to home screen or the library only in settings. Then the next feature is the page disabler. You can disable certain pages that have apps on them if you would like. So I just disabled one, and then if we hold down again and tap on the dots, we can enable it one more time. And as you can see, they are now back. The next feature is called Back Tap. So as you can see, when I double tapped, it did open Spotify. If I double tap, it will now open up the app switcher. And so then if you do head over to settings and go to accessibility, touch, and then you do scroll down until you got on back tap, you can either do triple tap and select those options, or you can do double tap and go into those options. And so now I clicked lock screen, so if I double tap, I am now on the lock screen. The next feature is new wallpapers. So as you can see, I do have all of these wonderful new wallpapers, the top 3 at the top. The next feature is translate. Now we have a built-in translator app, so if I say hello, it will translate to hola, which is Spanish. And then let's say I do it again, and let's say I say, if not already, make sure to subscribe. Then you can swipe over to the left, and we do have some more widgets as well, which you can add and customize them, just like on the home screen. There are some more because of certain apps that are already optimized for that though. So throughout my experience, I've had a pretty good experience with iOS 14 beta, and now that the public beta is now out, I would highly recommend downloading it. I think it's great, and it is very stable so far as I have used it. There haven't been very many glitches, and most things are supported, and as more developers roll out more of their widgets and other features, it should turn into a very great operating system. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, as well as the subscribe button and that little bell notification icon right next to that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.